In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create playbooks in HubSpot. Playbooks are a simple way to guide your team through consistent conversations, capture notes, and keep key steps at their fingertips. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the Playbooks tool, create a new one from scratch or from a template, and publish it so it's ready to use. Start by heading to the search bar at the top left of your HubSpot screen. This is the quickest way to jump to any tool without digging through menus. Click into the search bar, type Playbooks, and then select Playbooks from the results. That opens the Playbooks dashboard, where you'll see a list of your existing playbooks. Think of this as your library. It's helpful to glance over what's already there so you're not duplicating work and so you can keep naming consistent. Clear names and short descriptions make it easy for your team to find the right guide in the moment. Next, look to the top right and click Create Playbook. This takes you to the setup options. Here you can choose how you want to start, either from scratch or by using one of the templates provided. Starting from scratch gives you total control over the structure and content, which is great if you already know exactly what you want. Templates are useful if you want a head start or you're building something common like a discovery call, a qualification framework, or a troubleshooting guide. Pick the option that matches your goal and comfort level. Once you've made your choice, begin composing the playbook by adding steps and notes. Steps are the sequence you want someone to follow, such as questions to ask or actions to take. Notes are your guidance and context, like examples, tips, or definitions that help the user understand what good looks like. Keep each step focused on a single action or topic so it's easy to follow in a live conversation. Use clear language, and order the steps in the same flow your team will experience with a customer. If you're building from a template, adjust the steps and notes to reflect your process, terminology, and any must-ask questions. As you write it, think about the outcome you want from this playbook and make sure every step supports that outcome. When you're happy with the content, go to the top right and click Publish. Publishing makes your playbook available to your team, and you can always come back to edit and republish as your process evolves. That's it. You searched for playbooks, opened the tool, created a playbook, composed your steps and notes, and published it. You're ready to help your team deliver consistent, high-quality conversations every time.